Have a happy New Year's Eve.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year's! We are so excited to leave 2020 behind, as we are sure you are too. So thank you for joining us for our New Year's champagne cocktail. This one is super fun and gold, sparkly, bubbly for your New Year's celebrations. So let's get started. There are a couple extra items you will need. Those items are a plate, a spoon, a cutting board, a knife, or a peeler. So we will be doing a little bit of a lemon twist, so you can either use your peeler or a knife and cutting board for that. And then a lighter for your sparklers. And those are the only extra items you need. Bree is gonna come on and go through what is in your kit and get this cocktail going. So thank you guys so much again for joining, and happy 2021.
Hi everyone! So excited to be ending 2020 with this delicious champagne drink. I know not very many people like champagne, but of course it's something that everybody uses around the New Year's season. So a few items that are in your kit. You'll have your lemon, a little container with your sugar cubes and gold sparklies, your honey, orange bitters, and then a little bit of edible glitter gold here. And then of course you'll have your bottle of champagne, and then a couple champagne flutes, and a stirrer, a couple sparklers, and either one of these poppers or one of these like sparkly blowers. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. We are gonna start with our honey. So go ahead and grab your plate. And we're gonna start with rimming the glass here. So go ahead and take the honey and pour that onto your plate here. And this will be enough for all 4 drinks if you decide to re-rim your glass. Otherwise, you can just do it for the first 2 and refill your champagne in your glass from there. And then with your container that has your sugar cubes, I'm gonna take these out and just set them aside for right now because we'll need them for inside of our drink. And then you can sprinkle the glitter and little edible candies on the side here, just next to the honey. Again, there's enough in there for all 4 drinks, so if you have 2 extra glasses and you're sharing this, either way. So we will start with putting the honey on the rim of our champagne flute. Just dipping that in there. Okay. And then we're gonna go straight over to our gold glitter. It actually has a mixture of some silver and some pearls in there. Super cute. All right. So we have our rim all done there. And set your plate aside. And then take one of your sugar cubes and you're just gonna drop that into the bottom of your glass. We will take our orange bitters and we're gonna take about just a couple drops, like 3-4 drops of bitters on top of your sugar cube. Okay, this will also start to dissolve your sugar cube a little bit, so you'll kind of see pieces of the sugar cube go to the bottom, and that's okay. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and pour our champagne right on top of that sugar cube. And you'll have to do that a little bit slowly just because of the bubbles that start to come automatically with your champagne. You don't want to overflow your glass at first. So we'll let that sit for a second and we'll just keep adding some more champagne. and you will see the sugar cube is like just dissolving with the champagne inside. So you can see those little bubbles coming up. So that is gonna make this next step a little bit more fun. Go ahead and take your gold glitter, and we're just gonna either tap this on top of your champagne. You can use your spoon just to take a little scoop out if you would like, and just dump that on there. Like we said before, this is enough for all 4 drinks, unless if you just want to use half of it for each drink right now, and then you can just have plain champagne later. This also, once it starts to dissolve a little bit, may go to the bottom, so you'll probably have a little bit left in your next drink as well. So I'm just gonna take the half of that, put that on there. And then take my stir stick and go ahead and spin that around. You'll start to see the gold shimmer in the champagne here. Get a little bit off of the sides. There we go. All right, now we'll just take the last piece, our lemon. If you have a peeler, just peel off a piece of the side here. Otherwise, you can cut it into quarters and take just a piece of lemon, cut out the inside, and take the rind of just the lemon there. So we'll go ahead and take just a slice here from the peel. And you're just gonna twist that right over your drink, and then you can drop that right in. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna have Bree come back on so we can light our sparklers together.
All right. Happy New Year's, everyone. Let's go ahead and light our sparklers. Oh, thank you. So pretty.
So pretty.
All right, should we do it together?
Yeah.